As we commemorate our 50th independence anniversary, Trinidad and Tobago is also celebrating another achievement, becoming the 61st member of World Skills International. This Global Skills Olympics promotes vocational education and training towards the development of a world-class workforce. In preparation for this membership, Trinidad and Tobago began hosting national expos where vocational skills were showcased to thousands of visitors who gained hands-on experience while training various skills. Our government, through the Ministry of Tertiary Education and Skills Training, launched our national skills competition to enhance and elevate the status of technical, vocational education and training. World Skills Trinidad and Tobago 2012. The competition areas are a true representation of Trinidad and Tobago's diversity through our specialized skills strength in automobile technology, commercial food preparation, restaurant service, IT network systems administration, fashion design technology, cosmetology, graphic design technology, web design, welding, electrical installation, wall and floor tiling, joinery and team challenge for oil and gas. To enter, competitors must be a national of Trinidad and Tobago. October 2012.